Hello, and welcome to the 6th video in this tutorial series on Mountains, Digital Surf's industry standard software for profiler and microscope data analysis. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Mountains workflow and learn how to use it. The workflow is an interactive tree view. At a glance, we can see all the studiables in blue, operators in orange, and studies in black, used in the document and the connections between them. The workflow keeps a record of every analysis step and allows full metrological traceability. We can see and select studiables as well as substituting or removing them. For example, here is an analysis document I made with the abrasive 180 studiable, in which I used a few different operators and studies. If I'd like to apply this sequence to another studiable, I can easily do this via the workflow. The first way to do this is to select the studiable in the workflow and click on the icon to the left of the studiable. In the dialog that opens, select the studiable you'd like to use as a substitute. As you can see, the document has been updated automatically. Another way to do this is to drag and drop the new studiable from the File Explorer to the corresponding studiable in the workflow. When one studiable is replaced by another, all dependent elements are automatically updated. To modify an operator, click on it in the workflow. The operator dialog opens. You can make the desired changes. Then when you click OK, all dependent elements are updated. Operators can also be deactivated by right-clicking them in the workflow. Studiables can be renamed. The new name is automatically updated where it appears elsewhere, including in the title, which can be displayed above any related study. I can also save a studiable for further use, or even add a study. You may have noticed that I can double-click on any study in the workflow, and Mountains automatically scrolls to that study where it's displayed in the document. It's possible to apply operators directly in the workflow. Right-click any operator or study in the workflow, and you can directly insert an operator before that element. You can also choose to insert an operator after any studiable in the same way. Again, all dependent analysis steps will be updated automatically. These are just some of the features of the Mountains workflow. As you use it, you'll discover others, including saving customized settings for operators or creating mini-docs. If you'd like to learn more, check out another tutorial in this series.